Hello everybody, welcome to my pizza vlog. So we start by buying things at the spa. So this is all the ingredients we need for our pizza. To you, my guy, but you know, so he's not my guy.
Okay, I'm not your
Nah,
don't worry,
troublesome maker.
Me. Me that I've actually been giving you vibes in the house. You want to deny it?
Yeah, baby girl, I have to deny that
No
because
problem.
life is
I'm
like that.
going.
We are
I'm going
living.
tomorrow.
If not 10 days where you go there, see my marina, I'm on it in Dara.
Where you there? You don't see me again.
So I start by kneading my dough for complete 2 minutes and then proofing it for 2 complete hours, allowing it to proof. And you can actually proof your own overnight. It will give it more taste in the dough. And our dough have proved at this time. We leave it until we come back from the mall. And this is the ingredient we use to make the pizza. So pizza sauce, chicken breast, mozzarella cheese, very important, and sausage. You can actually use any of your protein. And then this is me shredding the chicken breast. And for me, because I'm a Nigerian person, I have to add it a little bit of twist, which is the onions and the bell pepper. And my pizza is ready here. I added a little bit of sprinkle of oil, and then I added my pizza sauce, and then I spread the pizza sauce to go very well. So one of the tips I'm going to give you, for you to make a very nice dough, you have to use my recipe. So I start by adding my cheese. After adding the cheese, I added the chicken and the sausage, and I added extra cheese. Before then, I want to tell you that if you do not use a good recipe for your dough, you will turn out to a very strong dough, and when you're eating it, it will be very strong. But when you get the good texture, you will get exactly like this. Be generous with your cheese if you have a lot of cheese, but cheese is quite expensive. And now the pizza is actually ready, and we actually enjoy this pizza. Pizza is one of the easiest things to make if you get it right. You don't have to kill yourself to go to anywhere to buy it, and they'll be collecting plenty money from you. And it's quite expensive because of the things are quite expensive, but I actually enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,
Baby,
and
I'm
follow
seeing
for more. Enjoy the
my
vlog.
aura. Domino's not do it like this.
Yummy, tasty
Pizza for the night.
See you all later. So if you want to do pizza and you want to eat the best pizza without complaining, without saying, this thing is strong, this thing is this thing, chef, the what is the country cover? First time I'm making pizza is like this. Second time I make it, that what will it be like? So that means the dough. You got it? Guys. Love you. Go to the description board and get the recipe. All of them are there. Love you.